Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Syed Hamid, and you are watching Sociology 3 and 1. Today, we will talk about the relationship of sociology with that of anthropology. So, let's start. Different social sciences deal with the different aspects of social life of man. Accordingly, history, anthropology, psychology, economics, and political science. These social sciences are interrelated. It is essential for the study of sociology to know in which aspects is the subject of sociology different from other social sciences and what ways it is related to them. Some social thinkers say that sociology is the basic and sole social science and others are its divisions. It is essential for us to know the interrelation between sociology and history, economics, anthropology, political science, and psychology. Now, anthropology is the word anthropology derived from the Greek word anthropos meaning man and logos meaning study. Anthropology is the study of man. Difference between sociology and anthropology. Sociology is the study of modern civilized and complex societies. Sociologists study the institution, marriage, family, or process such as marriage, social change, and social mobility. Sociology studies small as well as large societies. Sociology makes use of observation, interviews, social survey, questionnaire, and other methods of techniques in its investigations. Anthropology concerns with uncivilized or primitive and non-literate societies. Anthropologists study human primitive cultures. Anthropologists usually concentrate on small societies. Anthropologists directly go and live in the communities they study. They make use of dialogue